Once, an architect named Krishna stood before the world, his reflection caught in the dazzling facade of his masterpiece, a towering marvel of glass and steel.
Perfection, unmatched.
He said, his voice laced with pride. But perfection, it seemed, was a fragile thing. A single unseen flaw began to ripple through the very structure of his ambition. With a terrifying groan, the glass began to yield. His world, his masterpiece, shattered into a million pieces, reflecting his own broken pride back at him. From the dazzling heights of success, Krishna fell to the desolate depths of obscurity. Now, he toiled in a cramped, echoing basement, surrounded by the stark reality of his failures. His once bold visions were met only with rejection, stamped with the bitter mark of disapproval. But even in the deepest shadows, a flicker of resolve began to ignite. A new dawn, quite literally, marked a new beginning. He turned his back on the allure of glass and steel, seeking wisdom in the forgotten techniques of the past. Ancient brickwork, humble wood, these became his new teachers. He reconnected with the earth, with the raw materials, learning not just to design, but to craft, to build with his own hands. With each sunrise, with every lesson learned, Krishna's vision grew, not in size, but in depth and understanding. A tree of knowledge blossomed before him, rooted in humility. Years later, a new project began to rise from the earth. Not a tower of glass, but a heart for a community.
Each brick, a promise.
He said, his hands stained with mortar, building with a purpose far grander than his own ego. He understood now. True strength lay in the connection, in the interlocking bonds that held things together, not in their outward beauty. He worked alongside the people, for the people, forging connections as strong as the structures he was helping to build. Finally, the new structure stood, not a monument to a single ego, but a testament to shared effort and sustainable design. It harmonized with its surroundings, a beacon of belonging, built with the wisdom of the earth itself. And there he stood at the break of a new day, on the rooftop of a truly unshakable future, holding not a blueprint of ambition, but a simple, humble brick. For Krishna had learned that true strength lies not in towering arrogance, but in humble foundations. He found his purpose, not in chasing glory, but in serving the very ground he once sought to dominate. Humble foundations build unshakable future. We hope you enjoyed Krishna's story of growth in humility and architecture. Finally, please like and subscribe to TechGo4U for more stories like this. And share your interest by commenting a topic or name below.